Go to theweathernetwork.com/climate.
All right, it is Thursday, August 31st, the final day of meteorological summer. Of course, astronomical summer continues well into September, but for some, September sizzle is going to come back, while the west will likely cool down. But before we get to any of all of that and assessing today's weather, we've got to give you an update on Hurricane Idalia, which left a lot of devastation.
So it's pronounced Idalia and not Idalia, huh? If I were Rachel Susan at this point, I would definitely be speechless.
Hurricane Idalia made landfall on Wednesday morning, bringing catastrophic storm surge along the coast of Big Bend, Florida. Damaging winds spread inland. Perry Airport reported wind gusts up to 137 kilometers per hour.
Rachel, sorry about that.
You know what that kind of reminds me of? That moment from like a few years ago when Mark Robinson and another meteorologist fell in a blizzard.
Just before landfall. Dangerous storm surge became life-threatening, with areas like Cedar Key seeing their highest water levels ever recorded. In the worst-hit areas, sea levels climbed high enough to submerge a city bus and the first floor of an average home.
Tampa has reported 1.4 meters of surge.
This is a region where people absolutely need to get out and need to evacuate, and that's just what many were forced to do. Over 4,000 residents have taken refuge in Red Cross shelters.
This way, some of the trees have come down.
Over 230,000 power outages were reported along Florida's Gulf Coast. This would make Idalia the strongest storm to make landfall in the Big Bend region in more than 125 years.
Well, since then, we saw Idalia weaken, but also bring very rough weather across Georgia, South Carolina, and there are still some storm surge alerts there for North Carolina's coastal areas. Shifting gears, how about Hurricane Franklin continues to weaken through the course of the day, likely getting further downgraded to a Category 1, staying south of Atlantic Canada, but still some of that moisture getting pulled in to Newfoundland and into Labrador, that low-pressure system which brought a good dosing of rain across the Maritime, so anywhere from 20 to 30 millimeters, strong winds for coastal Labrador, western Newfoundland, lesser amounts less, because we're going to see that rain taper off west to east through the course of the day. This is not going to be good news. We've got widespread wind gusts beginning this evening in southern Yukon into northern British Columbia Friday, right through Saturday, gusts up to 60 kilometers per hour, and that means with the recent heat and the ongoing drought, worsening forest fire situation. Thunderstorm potential today.
Oh dear.
Around Calgary, the foothills, Medicine Hat,
Severe
Cypress
possible
Hills,
thunderstorm
right
this
across,
Thursday.
Northwest Territories, but down through the Interlake region and Winnipeg, potentially severe weather with some large hail, and could be looking at some strong winds and locally heavy rain. Note the temperatures in the west. They're still going to be quite hot for you.
Feels like 38 in Saturday for Winnipeg.
Your cool down
What
next week through
the actual
That's when the cool down
hell
happens for BC and Alberta. Now, big area of high pressure redeveloping in the U.S. That ridge on the move, that is going to bring a big reversal of fortunes across portions of central and eastern Canada. So you have not hit 30 degrees in August in Toronto, Ottawa, or Montreal, but that's going to change with the September sizzle. Look at that, Sunday to Wednesday could be looking at 4 days in a row in Toronto, 30 or above. Ottawa, look at these humidex values.
What?
Same with Montreal. It is going to be a return to the heat, but for today, it's still feeling a little autumnal.
Planning a vacation? Check out the best time to go with our new vacation report, available on our